This is day 194, and today we are looking at how we can make green and red data bars here, which change dynamically as your data changes. What we are seeing here is a graph where anything that is negative is shown in red bars, and anything that is positive is shown in green bars. And if your data changes, it automatically also changes your graph, so you don't have to go and manually change the colors of your bars to make sure that they are red or they are green. So it is fully dynamic. How can you make this kind of a graph? So first things first, I'm just gonna insert a basic chart. So for the movement, so this is the movement and these are the periods. So I'm gonna go insert. Let's insert a chart. Okay, let's insert this one. I'm just going to insert it on this right end. If I try to change the color here, you can see it changes for everything. And if I want to put green on these ones, I have to manually go select it and make sure I put the green color. I'm just gonna fast forward my video because this is really taking a lot of time. Okay, this one is so difficult to set because it's so small. Anyways, I have demonstrated the point, so I can actually show the green bars. But the moment I change, or the moment my data changes, you can now see there is a red bar for a positive number and a green bar for a negative number. It's just a mess, and I have to spend again a lot of time trying to set it up again. So what can I do to set it up once so that anytime my data changes, it also changes the color automatically? So here you can see I have two rows here where I am putting the negatives here and the positives here. So what I'm doing basically is to say an if formula to say if it's less than 0, then bring a value here, otherwise don't bring anything. And if it's positive, bring the value here, otherwise it's empty or it's blank. So I'm using an if formula here. So you can see as my data changes, if I can just refresh, you can see as the data changes here, it changes where it shows the values here. So I can then insert my chart based on these two here, upper columns here, which I don't really need to show on my chart. I can then hide them because they are not relevant to my users. Then I can say insert chart. There we go. Then now I have series 1, which is the positive. Now let me just copy it to the right here. Take out this and let me copy it to the right, and now I can change and say this is green and the negative is red. Then again, I can take off the lines, I can take off all the axes. Okay, these ones I don't have to leave them, and I can remove all these because I don't want them. Now, okay, I don't need a chart title as well. Okay, this should do the trick. So now, let's try to refresh our data and see what happens. Now you can see, if I refresh my data, it's changing, and you can see the red still remains the negatives, and the greens remain the positives. You can see February moved from being red to green once it became positive. So this is what you can do to have this kind of a graph, and with formatting you can make it look exactly like this, where you have a solid line in between your green and your red bars, and also you can make the bars wider and so on and so on. That's it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.